gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Alright, so this version of the Mate 80 Pro Max with a built-in fan is officially called the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition. And interestingly, it even comes with a small bottle inside the box. That's something you don't see every day. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's go ahead and unbox it and check everything out. First up, we've got a 100-watt charging adapter with a USB-C port, and honestly, it's surprisingly compact. Along with that, there's a USB-C to USB-C cable included. Now here's the exciting part, the phone itself. This device has been kept so under wraps that I genuinely had no idea what to expect in terms of design or features. Wow. First impressions? It looks almost identical to the regular Mate 80 Pro Max. Seriously, it's hard to tell them apart at a glance. If anything, I'd say this 5 senses level of refinement is the highest compliment you can give to a phone with a built-in fan. But if you look closely at the camera module, you'll start noticing some differences. The camera setup includes a main sensor, a telephoto lens, a depth lens, and wait, that's the second generation Red Wind system. Yes, the fan is actually integrated into the camera module. Interestingly, this is the exact spot where the original Mate 80 Pro Max had its 6.2x telephoto lens. Now, instead of that, the phone offers 4x optical zoom that effectively reaches 8x, still with an f2.1 aperture. So beyond that, like 8x to 10x, it's essentially cropped zoom. Now take a look at the outer ring of the module. This entire section is packed with over 1200 laser engraved micro holes. That's where the airflow happens. Air gets pulled in from one side and pushed out from the other. The internal space for the fan is smaller and more compact compared to typical fan units, but it's also more densely engineered. It uses a triple layer protection system. The first layer is a visible outer mesh that blocks most dust. The second is a 60 micron intake filter, which is even finer than a strand of hair, preventing tiny particles from getting inside. Then there's a third layer, a 3D maze-like fan structure that helps expel even finer dust particles. On top of that, the phone features a nano-level coating that resists water and oil, which means it still supports IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. And despite having all this fan hardware inside, the phone is only about 0.3 grams heavier than the standard Mate 80 Pro Max, and that even includes the screen protector. I also checked the thickness of the module, and surprisingly, it's almost exactly the same. Now let's talk about the fan itself. You get 3 modes: off, smart, and fast. Right now, it's set to smart mode. Listen to that. And when you switch it to fast mode, the sound becomes a bit more noticeable. There's also an Android level control panel where you can toggle between smart mode, manual mode, and maximum performance. Under the hood, this thing is powered by the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset, paired with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabytes of storage. But here's where it gets really interesting. Huawei has introduced something called Hyperspace Memory Compression Technology. Think of it like packing a suitcase. If you just toss clothes in randomly, you run out of space quickly. But if you fold them neatly, you can fit more. Now imagine not only folding them perfectly, but also vacuum sealing them. That's what Huawei is doing here. It effectively reduces memory usage, making 16 gigabytes perform like 20 gigabytes. In a time when memory is incredibly valuable, this is seriously impressive. And it doesn't stop there. The phone also features a Linglong display with the same brightness level as the Mate 80 Pro Max. So even when you're gaming outdoors under bright sunlight, visibility remains crystal clear, something many other phones struggle with. Even though this device includes a fan and delivers top-tier performance, what really sets it apart is that it doesn't feel like an over-the-top gaming phone. Instead, it positions itself as a premium flagship that balances performance with a high-end experience. It fills a gap in Huawei's lineup, giving performance enthusiasts and mobile gamers a powerful new option without sacrificing elegance. That said, for most users, overall experience and everyday usability will matter more. And in that case, the Mate 80 Pro Max remains a perfect choice. What's even more surprising is that despite rising memory costs across the industry, pushing phone prices higher, Huawei has actually reduced the price of the Mate 80 Pro Max series compared to its predecessor. That's honestly amazing to see. This was just a quick unboxing and first impressions. A full detailed review is coming soon, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.